Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to the one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Yun. So here's our Tuscan Steak, provincial style. Mas lami. Hello and welcome to Goma At Home. Today we are preparing steak. We'll do Tuscan style of steak. So pag Tuscan style, that means steaks being cooked in hardwood, no? Tapos ang components ay very simple lang. Salt and pepper, and then ilalagay mo sa over fire. But usually, when you go to Italy, in Tuscany, and then order for the Tuscan steak, pagputo dun sa loob, talagang rare. It's almost blue, no, ang tawag dun. So, first things first. Okay, gawa tayo ng pepper natin. Alright. Pepper. And then salt is here. Tatabi ko lang muna to. Okay? Irarab lang natin siya with just lots of salt. Yan. Maraming salt lang yan. Ito lang. Huwag kayong matakot na maglagay ng maraming salt. So, instead of porterhouse, we're using ribeye, aged ribeye. No? So, pag aged siya, medyo stronger na yung flavor niya, and yet softer yung meat. So this has been aged for about 40 days. This is just right. Yeah, okay, and then lots of pepper. Okay, yeah, on all sides. So nakita niyo yung fire natin. Ganun lang, open siya. Tapos mainit talaga. High intensity. So, okay matakot. Okay, so now I'll put this here in open fire. Yun. Nice. So we'll char that. So we're grilling this in open fire. Ganun lang, oh. Malakas talaga. Very, yung high intensity yung fire niya. Okay. Okay. On both sides. So, tignan nyo lang, ganyan, no? Kung maganda yung char niya. Yan, no? Good. See that? See that? That's what you want. Huh? High intensity fire. Yun. So remember, mamaya, tapos ilalagay natin sa oven to for about 15-20 minutes. Just to cook it further inside. And then, mamaya, we'll rest it for a while. And then pag-slice natin, rare pa yung loob niyan. And then we'll put in our boiling olive oil. Okay? And then, i-ready natin yung oven natin. So, nilagyan ko, pinainit ko na to. Yan, no? Mainit talaga yung oven natin. It's in the range of 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Doon, parang luluto ng pizza niyan. Mainit. Okay. And then, ikot natin ulit. So, yun. Ganda ng color, oh. See that? That's what you want. And then on the other side. Yeah. Beautiful, no? Na? Good. Nice! So once our steak is charred already, maganda na yung color niya. What we'll do is, we'll put this in the oven. Okay. Init. Init. Okay, put this inside. Yun. Teka lang. See? Pwede ko na siya iwan na ganyan. So at this point, pag uminit na yung meat natin sa loob, still rare, no? We'll pull out our steak and then gagawin natin yung oil natin. Let's put our steak. Ah, look at that. Look at this. Ganda, oh. So we'll let it rest for about 5 minutes. All right. Sige. Here we go. What we'll do first, let me just close my oven. Init sa oven, no? Okay. Gawin natin. So na-rest na natin yung steak. We're going to cut this. And to cut the steak. Okay. Yan. Okay, good. So makita mo, it's rare in the middle. That's exactly what we want. Yan talaga yung gusto natin ma-achieve, no? Na doneness. Because later on, lulutuin pa natin siya with the oil. Okay? Final prep niya dun sa oil. Okay, there. Yun. Good. Okay. Put it there. Put it here. Diyan siya. Okay. Beauty. Tama, pag hinawa kami yung gitna niya, it's warm. That's the steak you want. Okay. So, ang ano sa kanya is blue to rare. That's the way we do Tuscan style steak. Yan. Okay? So, what I'll do now, habang nare-rest ko siya dun, I'll just heat up the plate. Put there for 2 minutes para warm yung plate natin. So, just this one. Ito pa lang. Very good. You know, some people say, ang rare naman ng steak niya. No, it's really rare. Bubuhos natin mamaya yung boiling oil natin. Infused with rosemary and some garlic. Yun na, maluluto po siya ng konti. Okay? So our plate is hot. Kunin ko na. Okay, mainit na yung plato natin. So what I'll do, lalagyan natin yung steak natin dito. Okay, there you go. Half here. Dito. Diba dito sa harap, and then yung bukog will be here, dun. Okay, so while our steak is there, we'll hit our skillet. Okay, done. So we'll put garlic. Cool. Yung garlic component natin lagyan nandito. Okay. Damihan natin ng garlic kasi maraming steak eh. Oh, there. Tsaka na lang durog agad. Okay. Okay. And then we'll put our oil. Okay. We'll put our oil. There you go. Then just let it boil. Kailangan to mainit na mainit talaga yung oil natin before ilagay sa steak. Okay? And then after this, in just 5 minutes, we're done. Okay? Let's wait for this to heat up. Let's wash my hands. This time. Okay? Okay. Ito, lagay din natin doon. Sarap, oh. Wow. So, ito ilalagay na sa sa ating infused oil. So, lagyan natin yung thyme natin, bagsak na yung thyme, infuse, and some rosemary. Yun. Yun. So, padamihan natin. Dami tayong rosemary. Yun. Okay. So you can imagine the smell. Wow, ang bango. Kumuta, uy. Ito yung mga yung herbs and spices sa kanta ni Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to the one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Yun. Simon Garfunkel. Yung kanta ni Simon Garfunkel. So, once ma-infuse na natin yung taste ng garlic, rosemary, and thyme, perfect na to. Okay? Now, we will put this, dito sa steak natin. Hey, just like this, okay? So we'll take this out. I'll take out the rosemary. Put this on the side. Yun. Tapos ito, ipapaligo mo siya dun sa steak. Yun. Ibebait na ngayon itong hot oil na to dun sa steak. And that will continue cooking our steak. Beauty. That's the way to do it. And then, yung lemon natin, buksan natin dito. Okay. Let's put the lemon here. It's your option now to use the lemon dito sa steak natin. There you go. So here's our Tuscan steak, provincial style. It's time to try it. There you go. Wow. Nice. See? Naluto pa siya further because of the heat of the oil. No? There, but still it's medium rare. Okay. Garlic. And may salt na yan. Tapos may pepper na siya. Sarap. Since it's aged beef. So pag aged beef kasi, ibang-iba na yung taste niya, no? Yung sa regular na bagong cut na steak. Wow! It's almost nutty. Ipan natin ng oil dun. I want a little more salt. And then let's try it with some lemon. Mas lami. Papagang It's really good steak. Wow. Sarap. Sarap. Good. Nakita nyo how easy it is to prepare this Tuscan steak. Yun lang. High heat. No? And then just boil the olive oil together with garlic, thyme, and rosemary, and you have your fabulous steak. So thank you so much for staying with me right here in Goma At Home. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam niyo kapag mayroon tayong bagong video na palabas. Again, prepare this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, enjoy it with your whole family. Okay, this is Richard Gomez. Thank you so much for being with me right here in Goma At Home. I'll see you again. Bye.